Alright. Bro, there's a freaking plane! So, a couple of months ago, one of my friends came to a live stream of mine and showed me a game he was working on. He was trying to make a third-person shooter game in Roblox, almost a little like Battlefield. The game actually looks really good already, but he asked if I could help develop the game. And he's a good friend of mine, so of course I offered to help, and this is how the game came to be. Enjoy. Alright guys, so initially whenever he actually first asked me to help, this is pretty much what he had. So as you can see, we are in like a little testing place, and I don't have any animations, but Isaac, come over here, bro. Alright, wait, say hi too, Isaac.
Wow, it's weird. Can you redo that?
Isaac, go ahead and give me a little tour of the game.
Alright, so this is what we had when we first started. We had like a lot of the guns, as you can see, like I'm cycling through. The animations don't really work right now, but there's the buggy, there's the tank, we had like the helicopter done, we had the biplane.
Dang, you got a lot of vehicles.
So we had all the vehicle types done, but obviously now we have a lot more like variations. The headlights look weird. Yeah.
So broken.
This is back when the headlights were broken. But like everything works if you can see me get into this plane.
But let me go and show them the gun mechanics. So as you guys can see, I have a Tommy gun, okay? And I'm gonna go and shoot this guy, and as you can see, the little ragdoll effect is just so satisfying, bro. The plane just came out.
The plane
of the
goes
sky.
upside down. Yeah, it's not. It's Ken Kalai's turned it off.
Okay. As you can see, I'm gonna shoot Isaac. Alright, so okay, my aim is horrible. Don't look at this, guys. Oh, I gotta reload. Oh, that little animation is so satisfying, dude. I'm not gonna lie, the scripter did a great job on that. Alright, so look, there's a little ramp over here. This buggy goes way too fast. I'm gonna go ahead and drive it on this ramp real quick. I want to see how this works. And oh, dude, the driving is so like, I don't know why, it feels so clean on the smooth terrain. I know you have a new map now, but oh, I just flipped it. Dude, I flipped the car upside down, dude. So I think it's 2-2. They had C4, so let me just show you that real quick. Wait, I'm crouching.
Press E.
Alright, stand on top of it.
Try.
Oh no, it doesn't do damage now.
It did it, yeah. I guess it doesn't work anymore. But
yeah, don't worry. In the finished version, we'll show you guys how that works. Man, I want to go on the ramp with that buggy. That looks really fun for some reason, dude. Here, get behind me in a buggy too, can you? All right, we're going to the ramp, bro. Without sound effects, it feels so weird. Like it's not as satisfying. But all right, we're gonna race. Try to get on this ramp. Did you?
Oh, I fell off.
Bro. Yeah, get beside me. Yep, drive it. No, it's flipped. Oh, no, again.
It's so hard to get up there.
Yeah, no, it's okay. All right, ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Oh my god, dude.
One. Oh, no. He just gets stuck. Oh, wait.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Oh,
the tank works really cool. I want to show you guys that actually. So if you go ahead and shoot with the tank, go ahead and shoot just the Disney XD sign. I don't know why that's there. But, oh, I'm not aiming that right at all. Wait, I think it's broken, bro. The tanking aim.
really?
Yeah, no. But this is old, obviously, guys. It works in the real game. We'll show you guys that in a little. All right, anyways. Also, let me show you guys a helicopter real quick, too. So as you can see, you can fly this bad boy. And you go E and Q to go down and up. And honestly, this is so sick, dude. I just love the mechanics of this game. With the sound effects in the real game, it sounds way better. But, yeah. All right, but anyways, guys, as you can see, this game is still, this is how it was when he first showed me. It was very new. Now, eventually, he actually got a map built, which we'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. And it was actually a prototype map, and he ended up using another one. But we'll show you guys the prototype real quick. All right, guys. So as you can see, here was the old map. It had like a whole like mountain on it or whatever, and it was a lot bigger than it currently is. I know you guys haven't seen the whole game yet, but don't worry, you guys will see it at the end here in a little. But basically, he imported all the vehicles and the guns into the map, and he had the UI completed. And after a really long time of work, obviously it didn't happen overnight, the game was actually finally done. As you can see right here, here's the game on Roblox. It's called Base Battles, and he has a thumbnail done for it. He has a nice little description, and it's already actually out. So it's been out for a few days now, and it's actually made him over a 1 million Robux already, which is insane, especially considering it only has 1K players right now. That's honestly insane for him, and I'm actually so proud. It's very cool to see him do well with this game. The game's obviously a lot more fun when you actually fight people in the game, so now we're going to go ahead and play the real game and show you guys the finished product and actually have some real battles. Alright, so as you can see, we're loading in. It has a nice loading screen, unlike the testing game. And oh, there's already so many gunshots. And as you can see, there's also a really cool UI with the guns. You can pick your primary gun, your secondary gun, your equipment. And there's also really cool skins, I'm going to show you guys actually in a second as well. But we're going to go ahead and spawn in with just the primary. And I already have a really good gun. I bought some tokens, not going to lie. But let me actually show you guys my guns. Alright, so as you can see, I'm with my friend, Isaac. We're here again. Alright, let's go ahead and go into battle. So look, I have my little, what is it? Do you know what skin this is called?
Quad launcher. I don't know what the skin is, no.
It looks like dark matter almost. Like, it's kind of cool looking.
Oh, it's a galaxy DLC skins.
Oh, okay. But then we got my guns. We have a lot of teammates here, so we're gonna go ahead and go into battle right now. Here we go, bro. Oh.
Yeah, the bigger gun. Shoot at him, behind me.
Die!
You see anyone?
No, I don't see him.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go, dude?
The turning radius is difficult to use. I can't hit him from here. Jump out. Okay, got him.
Right there.
Oh, okay. Trying to snipe him.
See him?
Yeah, I see him.
Try to get him. Behind the tree.
I know. Oh, there's another guy.
Almost. Oh, I'm missing.
When you can't aim in your own game.
Oh my god, I can't hit him.
I just got killed by a dude. No. Alright, so as you guys can see, I opened up some cases, alright, earlier. And I got like an emoji moving skin. I'm not gonna lie, I was so mad when I got that. Like, it's probably the worst one. But then we got some other ones. That one's kind of hard to see. But the pink graffiti is pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually gonna go ahead and open one right now and show you guys how it works. The legendary one. And come on, give me something good. What is this? Don't tell me I'm getting an emoji. Okay, no. Oh, no, oh my, I got the emoji one again.
Really?
Oh wait, no.
Oh.
Hold on, I can't tell. Oh no, I got this one. Okay, it's called the Afterlife Nebula. That's pretty sick, actually. I kind of wanted the lava one, but this will work. Okay, this one actually looks cool though. That. All right, so as you can see, the skin literally moves on my back. Look how cool that looks. That's insane. Oh no, I love that, bro. All right, but okay, let's go and get like a helicopter or something, or like a plane. All right, let's go and kill the guy who has the. Oh no! No, he's under.
Oh, someone's shooting at us.
Oh, there's so many people there. God. Oh, you died. No. Oh, I just got melted, dude. All right. How about we go in the tank?
But I can operate the gun too.
Bro, there's so many cars over there. Die! Yo!
Behind us.
Oh, I can't see.
Dead. One person dead.
Bro, we're getting lit up. They're losing health.
Okay, we're good. Trust. Oh my god, there's a lot of them.
Dude, I told you, there's so many.
One day.
I got one.
Get out. It's gonna explode.
Oh, got one left. I got one more too. I'm trying. I have the launcher.
Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm alive.
Where am I getting shot from? Oh my god, there's so many of them.
Bro, all I have is a sniper.
I died to Killer Dragon 839.
I just tried to kill a Dragon 839 too, bro.
Look at the chat. Someone said this is a team game.
Oh my god, look how toxic they are. Monkey, your avatar is the definition of ugly. Yo. Bro, the base battles players are toxic, dude. Oh, I'm on the side of it. This is sick. Yo, I can snipe people too. Okay, let's like go up like up above, and then I'll snipe people like from the sky. All right, perfect. Don't move. No, don't go down. No, go up. No, I'm 2 HP. Turn. Oh no.
Did he die?
Yeah, I died of Derek sauce. Got a private helicopter, guys, on the way. What can I say? I'm pretty rich. Oh no, don't crush me. Oh no. Alright, man. Oh, we got this guy in here too. He's not sitting down though. Oh, I'm getting lit. Yeah. That's bro. Derek Sauce is such a tryhard, bro. This guy's killed me so many times. Okay. I'm gonna come in there with a fighter jet. There you go, jets. This jet is actually way too fast, low key. I'm literally already across the map. Oh no. I almost crashed it. Okay, come on. I got the flag. Let's go. All right, I got a plane. I'm going over to the flag, bro. Oh, I just crashed it. Okay. I'm not very good at flying. I'm gonna get a car instead. Oh, I'm getting lit up though. Oh,
flag?
I'm just got like tread over, bro. This guy's pushing my car. What is he doing? I'm stuck inside of his car with my car. Okay. I don't know. I was in his car. No, he killed me. Bro, Derek Sauce is so good. All right, we're gonna go over to the flag. All right, which is a quick mission. All right, we're gonna drive up there. I'm gonna let you out. You grab it, get right back in. All right.
I know, like we need to go under the tunnels.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is sick, dude.
I think keep going.
Oh, we're going all the way through. Here we go.
Now we go with the flag right there.
All right. Oh.
Spin a little bit. Just keep driving. Don't get hit.
Okay. Come on. Get in. Okay. Let's go.
We're getting laser, bro.
No. We have low HP. So low. Why is he shooting at us?
Dead. Oh my god, they killed me.
No, I was still in it.
Well, the flag's back now. I died, so.
Alright, how about you spawn it in? You drive. Bro, it feels like Battlefield, but like in Roblox, you know what I mean? Is that kind of what you're going for?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, we're almost there.
Oh,
It's clear.
Oh, wait, I won't be able to drive. Get it. I'll drive. Fast.
Go. Oh, now in the back. Go. I'm so low.
God,
oh my god, I'm so low.
Bro, what are you doing, man?
I have 53 HP.
It's a strat.
Okay. Tunnel shot.
We're gone. We got this. Just hope we don't get intercepted.
No interceptions. No. Go. Alright, right to the flag. Go on.
Bro, return it.
And
return it. Step on the plane.
Let's go.
We're good.
Too easy, bro. Bro, there's a freaking plane. He jumped out of the sky.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, someone's attacking! Someone came! We got it! Destroy the vehicle!
Got it. Let's go. Bro, there's so many people. Alright, here we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do now, okay? Go ahead and get in a plane with me. No. You fly and they'll like fly me over and I'll just jump out of the sky. Alright, here we go. This is a mission. We're on a straight mission right now. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Back around.
Oh, I got it. There's so many. There's so many. There's so many. There's so many.
Get in, bro.
Bro, I'm nowhere near you.
Get in.
I can't. It says you cannot enter aerial vehicles. You can't enter aerial vehicles while having the flag. Oh, dude, that was looking sick though, dude. Oh, we lost, dude.
We lost.
Alright, well, as you guys can see, kind of sad, but it is what it is, alright? Anyways, though, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it like always. Now, if you guys actually want to go play the game right now, you can. It's called Base Battles, or the link is in the description below. Now, you can actually use a code called DevKing for a free 3,500 tokens, which will get you, like, on the track to your first Tommy gun. Alright, now, obviously, guys, I want to make it clear, too, I actually didn't develop this game myself, but I did help a lot with things here and there, and also, the game was just really good, so I wanted to make more people see it, so I figured to make a video on it. Alright, but anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.